Hello, everyone. If you are using Microsoft Windows, meaning Windows 11, Windows 10, this app will save your life. This app will optimize your PC or laptop. This app will clean your PC from any harmful content. Okay, so this app is a version of PC Cleaner from Microsoft. So you don't have to download PC Cleaner anymore. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install the app called PC Manager from Microsoft. Download this app, you will thank me later. To do that, go to app.microsoft.com or go to Google, look for PC Manager. Okay. As you can see here, this is the one who a lot of people know about. It's called CCleaner. A lot of people have been using it for so many years. Okay. Now Microsoft have decided they're going to make their own C cleaner. Okay, so this is the one here. Okay, we're going to open it. Okay, from here, you click download. You're going to save it, cancel this. It's done downloading. This is the one here. I'm gonna run it. Let's install it. I'm gonna click yes. Gonna wait. From here, you click install. Click yes. Almost done. It's done. Now we can open it. So as you can see here, this is the app. It's called PC Manager. Okay, it does have a lot of features. So everything, anything CCleaner have, this app got it. Okay, let's start with here. You wanna check the health of your PC. You click here. It's going to scan. As you can see here, item to clean. We got 2 gig, which is a lot. Okay, we got Windows cache, browser cache, recent files. Okay, also they're gonna show you here turn off automatic startup for those apps, which means every time my laptop start, those apps are going automatically to start. So I can stop it doing that. Okay, so I'm going to save some space. Okay, I'm gonna leave my Chrome, I'm gonna leave Internet Download Manager. I'm gonna click process. This is going to help my laptop start so faster. Okay, so all those features are combined on this app. You can find all those features on this app. Let's say you don't want to use this app, you want to stop some apps from starting when your laptop or PC are on. You can also do this. Type msconfig. You see, from msconfig, you can come to start. Okay, come to task manager. You can tell the app this app mustn't start when my computer is on. So all those features have been put together on this app they call PC Manager. Okay, you got protection. You can scan for viruses. You can check for Windows update. You can taskbar repairs. You can restore default app. Okay, they got storage. You can clean all the files that are duplicated on your PC or laptop. So this app is a must have on your PC or laptop. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.